Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make an obstacle avoiding robot with Arduino. I've already made 2 videos on obstacle avoiding robot previously, but in this project I will be using this shield which can be directly fixed on UNO and it has multiple sensor connectivity. So for this project you will need an Arduino UNO, motors, wheels, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. This is an caster wheel, 18650 batteries and a battery holder. So this is the circuit diagram if you are making this project with off-the-shelf components. I will not be doing these all wiring connections, and as I said, I've designed my own PCB for this project. So this is the schematic of our Arduino UNO Robo Shield, which can be directly fixed on Arduino UNO. This is the PCB design, and this is the 3D view of our PCB. So I've quickly downloaded the Gerber file of our PCB and placed my order in jlcpcb.com. JLC PCB is a very low-cost PCB manufacturing company and also the sponsor of this project. So first we'll place our files in it and we'll select the quantity, we'll select the color and place the orders. So in few days I received my PCB which were nicely packed in this box. So as you can see, the quality of PCB is very good. So now we'll place our components over it and start the soldering. And after soldering, we'll place our L293D motor driver in this PCB. Now we'll connect motors to our Arduino UNO board. Now we'll connect our Robo Shield to Arduino UNO board. And at the bottom of the motors, I will be connecting the 18650 battery holder. Connected one caster wheel behind this robot, which acts as a support as an third wheel. Now we'll connect the motors to our shield. And after connecting motors, I will connect the power supply to our shield. Make sure you check the terminals, the positive and the negative one. And after connecting the battery, we'll connect the ultrasonic sensor. So the last thing we are left with is connecting the wheels. So now connect your Arduino board with your computer and open the code. So here I have initialized all the pins. So when the board detects distance less than 20 cm, it will change its directions to left side. So now we'll upload the code. We'll select the board, that is Arduino UNO, select the port and upload the code. So now connect the batteries and let's see the bot in action. So friends, I hope you like this project. Do hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.